Hello folks, the day has finally come. It's time that we use a laser tachometer to measure how quick this motor is spinning. This is a very professional setup. Just kidding, it's not that professional. I'm using a vacuum cleaner to spin Legos. How professional could that ever get? Anyways, enough blabber jabber, let's do this. Blabber jabber. Let's go. I'll get the engine running first and then, yeah. Wow, already up to 2,000. I'll be right back. Alright guys, time to go for broke. I have the tachometer taped up. It's just time to go. The tape came off. Alright, here we go. Let's try this again. I glued the paper down to the wheel because it kept coming off, so. Well, there we go. 2,000 RPM, 2,500 RPMs out of Legos. Awesome. I'm so glad we finally got to put a number on this. Was it higher than I expected? No. Was it lower than I expected? Kinda. But hey, that's fantastic. After you solve the the commonality issues, it's not too bad. Like, you know, the practicality sort of thing. So let's try it with the big fly. We'll see what that does to the RPM. Now we get to play. Nice. Nice. So, that solves the mystery of how quick this thing actually runs. About 2,500 RPMs. Well, I don't know what I could do to make that any quicker, honestly. I've been wanting to put a wheel to compressed air as well, and just put that, take the wheel off that part, and stick it to stick it through an axle and an impeller and make a little setup like this big and just make a turbine out of it and just see how absolutely fast we could get something to spin. But I am afraid of damaging this tool as it's not actually mine. If you watched the previous video, you understand the context of how I got this thing. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. This has been pretty fun. Goodbye.